When it comes to buying art papers, don't go cheap. Whether you sketch or work with mixed media, there's always a paper texture tailored to your artistic needs. So let's begin with sketch and mixed media and what the differences are. If you are a mostly dry medium artist like me, you'll want to invest in Strathmore's Sketch Paper 400 series. Sketch paper is a thinner paper that allows you to play more with graphite shading and experiment with still life, character drawings, and simple art concepts. Strathmore's sketchbooks come in a range of sizes, including 9 by 12, 11 by 14, 5.5 by 8.5, and so on. The fun part about the sketch paper is that you can use inking pens on this texture. The ink stays on top of the paper instead of bleeding through it, thus making it easier to finish your drawings and avoid smudging. The only downside to these sketchbooks is that the cover eventually gets messed up and can expose your first drawings to the dangers of the outside world. Mixed media paper is thicker, almost like Bristol, which I'll cover later. Because it's thicker than sketch paper, you can easily use wet mediums without the color bleeding through. I haven't used mixed media, but being that it's made by Strathmore, I definitely recommend it for artists who enjoy experimenting with dry and wet mediums. You can also find more information on Strathmore's website, and I'll put the link in the description. For those who want to do more than just sketching, you may want to invest in Strathmore's Drawing 400 series. The drawing paper texture is a little bit thicker and smoother than sketch paper. According to Strathmore's website, Drawing 400 series smooth 80-pound paper can withstand different mediums, such as graphite and colored pencil, ink, and marker. Medium 80-pound allows more media applications, but certainly not watercolor or acrylic paints. Now, if you want to do even more with various mediums, I would recommend Bristol. Strathmore has different Bristol weights and thicknesses you can work with. I've typically purchased the 300 series, which is good for mixing graphite and colored pencil, ink, and alcohol markers. Now, I would say use caution with alcohol markers, as coloring your art in the same spot for too long will eventually cause the color to bleed through the paper. If you have to color in one spot just to get the right tone with different markers, place a couple sheets of copy paper under your work so the ink and alcohol won't create spots on the next clean sheet. Guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more art tips and speed draws, and hit that little bell to receive notifications for the next upload. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll provide tips on how to use shading to create atmosphere.